Welcome to County Portal, your simple source for local government services and public records. Let's get started.
Can you bond out on a fugitive warrant? This is a very common and important question. Many people wonder about their options when facing this situation. A fugitive warrant means law enforcement wants you for something. You might have left a state where you had charges. You might have missed a court date in another jurisdiction. This kind of warrant makes you a fugitive in the eyes of the law. It is a serious matter. First, let's understand what a fugitive warrant is. It's an arrest warrant issued in one specific jurisdiction. It says you are wanted there for a crime or a missed court appearance. But you are currently located in a different jurisdiction, perhaps a different state. The second jurisdiction can arrest you based on this warrant. They hold you for the original jurisdiction. It acts like a temporary hold. Now, to the main question, can you bond out? Generally, no. This is the straightforward answer in most cases. When you are arrested on a fugitive warrant, bail is typically denied. The courts see you as a flight risk. You have already fled the original jurisdiction once. Or you failed to appear for a legal obligation there. The court wants to ensure you will return. They want you to face the charges in the state that originally issued the warrant. The primary reason for denying bond is the extradition process. The state where you are arrested needs to hold you. They hold you until the original state comes to pick you up. This entire process is called extradition. Extradition can take some time. It might be a few days. It could be several weeks, depending on the states involved. The court does not want to release you on bond. If they release you, there is a high chance you might disappear again. This would prevent the original state from getting you. It would defeat the entire purpose of the warrant. Are there any exceptions to this rule? Sometimes, very rarely, a judge might consider setting a bond. This is highly unusual. It often depends on the specific charges you face. It depends on your criminal history. It also depends a lot on the individual judge's discretion. The relationship between the two states can also play a small role. For example, if it's a very minor misdemeanor, and the two states are geographically very close. Even in these rare scenarios, getting a bond is a tough challenge. Most of the time, the answer remains no bond for a fugitive warrant. So, what happens instead of bonding out? You get arrested. You will then appear before a judge. The judge will inform you about the fugitive warrant. You will have two main choices. You can waive extradition. This means you agree to go back to the original state willingly. Or you can fight extradition. Fighting it means more court hearings. It means you will stay in jail for a longer period. Fighting extradition is usually not recommended, especially if the warrant is legitimate and valid. Waiving extradition often speeds up the process. Then, the original state will arrange to pick you up. They will transport you back to their jurisdiction. Once you are back in the original state, then you can typically try to bond out. That is the critical difference. You bond out there, not on the initial fugitive hold. So, please remember this key takeaway. A fugitive warrant usually means no bond at the point of arrest in the second state. You are being held as a temporary measure for another jurisdiction. Your actual bond options will come after you are transported back to the original jurisdiction. This is a very important distinction to understand. Thank you for watching this explanation today. I hope this information has helped clear up the common question about fugitive warrants and the possibility of bonding out. If you found this video helpful and easy to understand, please consider hitting the like button below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more legal topics explained in a simple and clear way. Your support helps us to continue creating valuable content like this for you.